If you want to remove MSN.com from your taskbar quickly, you're in the right place. In this short video, I'll show you exactly how to get rid of that MSN icon in just a few seconds. It's super easy and you do not need to install anything or change any complicated settings. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips like this. Now let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you are on your desktop so you can clearly see your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Once you're there, look along the taskbar and find the MSN logo. It usually looks like a butterfly icon, so it should be easy to spot. When you see it, right-click on the MSN icon. A small menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, simply click Unpin from Taskbar. That's the option you need to remove it. As soon as you click it, the MSN icon will disappear from your taskbar right away. And that's it. It's now removed from the taskbar. No extra steps, no settings menus, and no waiting around. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fast and simple tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.